Welcome to the Los Angeles Mission College instructional video on placement test preparation. We're going to go to our web browser and open it. We're going to type in www.lamission.edu/math and hit enter. We're going to go within the main menu to placement test preparation. We're going to read over the 4 different types of tests that we can take and pick the one that is most appropriate for us. The way that we do that is we click the little red link underneath it. This will take us to a test where we can select various answers within the multiple choice questions. Please make sure you answer each and every question. And once you're at the bottom, hit Finish Test. Notice that your score is reported in the left corner. This does not go to any of our databases, so don't worry about your score. We suggest that in any particular section, either decimals, equations, exponents, which are labeled below in this box, that you should get a total of 80% or higher in each of those sections in order to say that you understand those sections. Note that below there's a big table with every single question labeled, and you can go to the view to see how you did on that particular question, what the question actually talked about. Please jot down all this information on a piece of paper or print it out. Then go to the practice. Also note that you won't be able to come back to this screen if you leave this page. So make sure you have a record of this somewhere. Within this tab, you'll see a Welcome and Getting Started. Right-click on the interactmath.com and click on Open in a new tab. This will generate in a new tab. Hit Enter. Select the text and hit Submit. This gives your computer a way to get around the welcome screen. You can close this tab if you'd like. Now click on the course that you're attempting to work on. Within this tab, there are various practice problems, and they are all generated by interactmath.com. Now, what you want to do is work on the sections you struggled with. So say, for example, I needed to work on equations. Then I would start in this section and click on the first blue hyperlink. This will take me to a problem where I can input an answer. Say I think that the answer is 7, and I hit Check Answer. Now if it's incorrect, it'll say sorry, that's incorrect, and it will give me a useful hint. Then I'll click Done. I'll try again. It says when 25 is subtracted from 7 times a certain number, the result is 108. Now if I'm still not sure what to do, I can go to View an Example, and it will give me some help on a similar problem. And then I can hit Close and attempt this problem again. I could also try the Help Me Solve This button, and this will also give me helpful hints. Now here they'll take me step by step. The first answer would be 25 because it says subtracted from 25, and I'll hit Check Answer. It'll give me a prompt when I get the answer right that says nice work, perfect, fantastic, all those kinds of positive words. So once I finish with this, I can hit Close, and it'll give me a new problem to work on. I'll still need to do that one after I've done the Help Me Solve This. Now once I finish with this and it's given me the all clear by saying nice work or fantastic, I'll click on the back arrow and I'll go to the next hyperlink and go through the same process of writing in the answer and then hitting Check Answer, and then I'll click back again. Now you don't have to do every single section that you struggled with in one sitting. If you do not do all the questions in one sitting, what you'll have to do is, say I close the screen, you'll have to regenerate your browser. Go to laadmission.edu/math. Go to the placement test. Select the course. And you're still going to have to do all the embedded work, but here you won't have to answer the questions again. Just click on Finish Test. It'll give you this error. You'll say OK. You'll go to the practice. Now you will need to open interactmath.com again. So open that in a new tab again. It should load for you. It might take a second. Hit enter. Choose any course. Hit submit. Go back to the other tab. Click on your course that you were working on and start all over again as if you hadn't left. So once you have completed all the sections that you have struggled with, then you are ready to either take the placement exam, or if you go back to the Los Angeles Mission College site, the other tab that you had, and click on the back button, all the way back, you can select the next text or next coursework to work on. So I was working on algebra readiness. I could then move on to elementary algebra and work on that section, and I would be prepared for that. Finally, you can schedule an exam with the Placement Test Center. I hope that you guys have good luck in your studying, and this was brought to you by STEM.